dudes, we made it. We're at the Motortrend FD exhibit, or we're doing a little Gymkhana style. All the dudes are here. We're here. Well, actually gets to drive. So he's driving the Z. As you saw, Richard and I, Street drove this thing. Let's go take a look at the at where they're going to drive. So it's actually pretty cool. Mr. Jeff Jones already went out and showed us how it's supposed to be done. We made some adjustments to some of the things, but if you remember, some of my other videos was the Hoonigan Burnyard, and this was it. Palm line was over there. But we're gonna go ahead, come out around here. I think you go in here, around, into here, around there, somewhere like that. I don't know actually. No, I'm lost. Because you got to come back and hit these. So you come through, hit them, come back through here, around, and hit that, I guess. I guess we'll see. I wasn't really watching what was going on, and we'll find out when it happens. So it's super dope. Of course, they didn't bring a scooter, but there's a bunch of really rad cars over there. They're doing like a tour all the way from, I don't know, San Diego to Vegas and then back for Motortrend. Let me see if I can show you. I'm not gonna walk over there. Yeah, a lot of cool cars. Should be a fun event. Car works, changed the power steering pump out this morning. I wanted to change it out last week, but we didn't. So we got to do it this morning in a rush, which was awesome, but it worked. And then we drove it.
And I love hot rods. I just got sucked into the movie. Drift cars? I just went a different man on it, and I think it's a small car.
You ready to take it home?
What, take what home?
The whole thing.
Yeah, I'll take the whole thing home.
Yeah. I mean, you're taking the Z home. Like, you're taking the championship.
Oh, roll it.
You get the prize. Yeah, you get the prizes. Or are you ready? Take all the prizes.
Yes. What's the prize, though?
I don't know. Jeff says he's not sure if there is one. It's a rub and tug.
I'm not sure if I want it.
It's a mystery rub and tug. Yeah.
Hey, Jeff, shoot it? Shut up, Jeff! Box. Well, this is a later thing, though. I don't know how this is going to work. If it's higher than that, this guy's going to give you $100.
I'll give you $100.
Wait, he does what? Here's the problem. We don't want to blow that up immediately.
Yeah, we know.
So, originally I thought this was Gymkhana. It's not Gymkhana. It is a free-for-all, have fun. Essentially, we have from 3 to 5 to come out here and do some fun.
Wish we brought more tires, Jeff.
I know.
That's probably good.
But that little lap that I did earlier, were you here?
No.
I did like a little, 30 seconds?
How did it feel?
Didn't even scave the fucking...
Yeah.
anything
afraid
else.
you were gonna say, my
I could
tires are
probably do
gone.
that same exact thing like 15 times. I was in second gear. I recommend staying in second gear or lower for the first part of it, because if you get wild, then they're not even going to be able to see anything you're doing. So then your photos are going to suck. So just advice on that part. It looks like Elliot talked to someone, and we can now do ride-alongs, and we can do tandem. But if we do tandem, let's try not to destroy the course, and also if we do tandem, there's going to be a lot more dead time, right? So maybe we all come out and do a single lap by ourselves first, then we go back in, evaluate our car, maybe we just pair up with someone, and then we come out and...
Well, we don't need to bomb. There could be 30 seconds in between.
Yeah, we could totally, like, I think if we're smart about it, we've got 2 hours. right? If we come out and do a 30-second run, don't destroy our cars.
Let the smoke clear.
Yeah, let smoke clear and then cruise back out. You know, we can do our work over there if we want to change tires, whatever else, or just get right back in line. So let me go over the plan for that. The furthest lane over there is going to be our coming in entrance. They don't want us to start back any further than the blue water barrier. That's like the max that they want you to start further back.
Oh, so that someone's gonna exit it, right?
So, yeah, someone
So
can
stay
exit.
back. So
Yeah, so but they don't want you hauling ass any further because there's still people there.
oh, okay.
Right, so you're that far back, you can come in and do whatever you want. So right now you can plan something out, team, leave you in that area, which is behind the house. And that's kind of the dead area. Work on your car there if shit's going wrong, right?
What are you doing, man?
Because if we don't go in order, Nads will have no idea who you are.
Everybody knows
They were supposed to make us an order.
Who's Nads?
Nasty Nads?
He's a really funny guy.
You don't know Nasty Nads?
There he
sir?
He's been on a lot of
Like
Hooters.
original, like Super Street editor,
Yeah,
right?
Super Street.
Yeah.
The other thing we want to do is we appreciate you guys coming out. You guys are the stars. We want to make you guys the stars. So one of us is going to sit at the entrance, announce you guys, build you guys up, hype you guys up, hype the crowd up, hype them up on what kind of car you're driving. Tell us a little bit about it. We don't need the whole diatribe about like how you found it in the yard 6 years ago. Don't need that.
Perfect. Now these things actually sit right.
Yeah. All right. Good. Need anything else?
No, I'll be fine.
All right. All right. So we're getting ready to go. You can see our AFRs are a little high. All right. They drop. So they're dropping as soon as I move. So we're okay. I'm just being a worry horse here. We got Wild over there. He's ready to go. This guy's ready to go. So I've been enlisted to help get going. Go ahead, just right behind him, but pull forward. Pull forward. Okay. You're good. Josh. Good job. Let's go. Woo woo. going. They just opened up tandems. And right now the Colonel is shredding. He's not done. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. So I'm not sure I caught it, but Richard tapped one of the tires pretty good. Right here. Oh, no way.
I'm surprised it didn't do more damage.
Oh my God.
Maybe it's broken in there.
Yeah. Looks okay, Wisefab made it. And just like that, it's over. The Motortrend crew breaking down because they have another event tomorrow, Pomona, I think. So they are already breaking it down. Look at the tires that Richard straightened out there. There's the wheel too where he did a burnout on it. So trans is fixed. Back to power steering pump and belt things. But yeah, so fix the transmissions, beat the hell on them. What is this sound weird? Yeah. It was a deer.
Oh, we did lose the bumper. That's what that sound was. What the fuck happened? The bumper came off.
This is from when that wall, when he hit the
Yeah, it was barely
tire
hanging
there.
on there. Then we hit some turns, and then it really came up. That's what that sound was.
Yeah. I was like, wow, that sounds awful.
What was
We made it all the way back. Last turn.
Hey, shine your light on. From here.
Yeah, would it be better if I filmed from over here? So-
What the heck? What happened there, dude? What happened, Nate?
Sorry.
We made it home.
That's okay. Usually you break it, I fix it. I break it, you fix it.
Oh, shit.